These are the big square wire frames, and I'm going to show you how to replace the lenses. So first thing you're going to do is turn your frames upside down, and you're going to take a Phillips head screwdriver, and you're going to unscrew the screw right here. It's between the ear and the frontal part of the frame. So you're just going to insert that and make sure it's snug, and then apply pressure to unscrew it. Now you don't want to unscrew it completely, you just want to loosen it. So make sure that the frames are still attached. The lens should then pop out very easily. The reason you want to make sure it's still attached is so that way when you reinsert the lens, the screw does not come falling out. Now to reinsert it, you have to line up all of the edges in the grooves of the frame. You're going to start with this end of the lens. You're going to make sure that it fits snugly inside the little grooves of the frame. And then you're just going to pop everything back into place. Once you've done so, turn your frames back upside down and just tighten up the screw. Just make sure it's snug and twist to the right. And that should be it.